If you think your bike is already fully upgraded, wait until you see what's out there. From clever gadgets that solve annoying problems to small upgrades that make every ride more enjoyable, these are the bike accessories you'll wish you had found sooner. Some are made for safety, some for comfort, and a few are just too cool to ignore. So let's get started. Number 11. Trek BellBeats. Ever wanted your bike to have more personality than your group chat? So here is Trek BellBeats, a digital bike bell that also works as a Bluetooth speaker. It pairs with your phone for music, podcasts, and navigation audio, while 8 built-in bell tones help you alert people around you. You can pick your favorite 2 tones and set them to play with a short or long press of the trigger. The Harman speaker handles the audio, while 3 buttons on the bell control playback without reaching for your phone. It can run for up to 6 hours of music playback and charges through USB-C. The IPX7 rating means it can handle rain, and the mount fits almost any bike. There's also a belt clip, so you can take the speaker with you after the ride. It's basically a bike bell, Bluetooth speaker, and little entertainment system rolled into one. Number 10. Handlebar extender. This gadget feels like strapping a car headlight to your bike. It puts out up to 2,400 lumens and can light the road up to 1,000 feet ahead, which is useful when riding on dark roads or trails. But the handlebar setup isn't just for lighting. It also has space for a phone mount, speedometer, and a 10,000 mAh power bank, so you can keep your phone charged during longer rides. The unit carries an IPX65 water resistance rating, while the aircraft-grade aluminum body adds some strength without turning the handlebar into a brick. For night riders, it puts lighting, phone access, and extra battery power in one setup. Number 9. Cyclemate 2.0. Your butt called, it wants a better seat. Enter the Cyclemate 2.0, a bike cushion built to make long rides easier on your backside. Its 3D airbag structure spreads pressure across the seat instead of leaving all the weight in one spot. The airflow channels also help with ventilation, while the anti-slip base keeps the cushion from shifting around as you ride. The cushion is made for riders who spend more time in the saddle, whether that's during daily commutes, weekend rides, or longer trips. Instead of constantly adjusting your position to escape pressure points, you get a softer surface between you and the seat. Number 8. Bike pump. Every serious rider needs a pump they can actually carry. Ever seen a bike pump smaller than your phone that can inflate a tire in around 20 seconds? Meet the Oxito Mini Pump. It weighs just 0.28 pounds and can reach up to 120 psi, with enough battery for up to 7 flat tires on one charge. The digital display shows the pressure as you pump, while the auto shutoff stops the process once you reach your set pressure. It also works with both Presta and Schrader valves, so there's no need to carry separate adapters. For night rides, the built-in LED light can help you see the valve and work around the tire in low light. Number 7. Walsun. Ever left your bike for just a few minutes and come back hoping it's still there? 1 week lock is all it takes for it to disappear. That's where this comes in. Meet Walsun, a fingerprint disc lock that replaces keys and combinations with your finger, so there's nothing for thieves to pick, guess, or break. It weighs just 220 grams and can store up to 40 fingerprints, so more than one person can use the same lock. The fingerprint reader is advertised to unlock it in around 0.5 seconds, while a 20-second automatic protection mode helps keep the lock secured when it's left unattended. The lock fits bicycles and motorcycles with compatible disc brakes, including discs up to 6 mm thick. It also carries an IP65 rating for dust and water resistance. Number 6. Kamingo e-bike kit. Your legs deserve a day off, and Kamingo is here to make it happen. This tiny 2.3 kilogram e-bike kit can be attached in about 10 seconds, turning a regular bike into an electric ride without replacing the whole thing. It packs up to 750 watts of peak power and can reportedly reach up to 90 kilometers of range, depending on riding conditions and setup. You also get 3 riding modes, with quick switching between them as you ride. The battery sits inside a water bottle style housing, so it doesn't look like a typical bulky e-bike battery. Your bike still looks mostly normal, but with electric assistance ready when your legs need a break. Number 5. WSDCAM Bike Light. Once you try it, you'll probably wonder how you rode without it. This gadget adds several useful functions to a regular bike in one unit. The WSDCAM Bike Light works as a 5-in-1 taillight with turn signals, a brake light, a horn, and a vibration alarm. The alarm can alert you if someone moves or disturbs the bike while it's parked. It uses 31 LEDs and produces up to 160 lumens, so the rear of the bike stays visible in low light conditions. A small remote attaches to the handlebar, letting you activate the left and right turn signals while riding. The signals also produce a click sound, so you can tell when they're active without looking back. Number 4. Bike Repair Toolkit. You're miles from home. The tire is low, the chain is loose, and a screw starts slipping. Normally, that could mean a long walk home. But this bike repair multi-tool puts several basic tools in one small package. It comes with a mini pump, 10 magnetic bits, and a ratchet wrench, giving you what you need for common roadside fixes. You can tighten loose bolts, adjust parts, work on the brakes, and add air to a low tire without carrying a full-size toolbox. At under 200 grams, it's light enough to keep in a saddlebag, backpack, or even a larger pocket. It won't replace a proper workshop toolkit, but for quick repairs during a ride, it can save you from turning a small problem into a long walk home. Number 3. BAFANG Speedometer. Ever wonder what your e-bike is really doing while you ride? The BAFANG /display is a small handlebar screen that keeps your main ride information in one place. It can show your speed, power, and pedal assist level, with support for up to 9 PAS modes, depending on the setup. The display uses a mix of metal and plastic in its construction and carries an IP65 rating for protection against dust and water. It works with compatible BAFANG mid-drive motors, including models such as the M620, M600, M560, M510, and M420. So instead of checking your phone for basic ride data, you can keep those numbers right in front of you while riding. Just check the connector and motor compatibility before buying, since this display uses a 5-pin CAN connection. Number 2. Chainback Tool. You're flying down the trail, wind in your face, and then your chain jumps off. Now you're standing there with greasy hands, dirt all over your fingers, and a ride that just came to a stop. That's where Rehook comes in. This tiny 20-gram tool helps put a dropped chain back onto the gears without touching it with your hands. Hook it onto the chain, lift it into place, turn the pedals, and the chain moves back onto the gears in seconds. It's small enough to clip onto your bike and light enough that you'll barely notice it's there. No digging through a toolbox or wiping grease off your hands afterward. Number 1. Bike wheel lights. Make your wheels stand out at night with these bike wheel lights. They clip onto the spokes and use 14 RGB LEDs with around 30 lighting patterns that change as you ride. The lights react to wheel movement, so the patterns shift as the bike moves. They're also waterproof and lightweight, so they won't add much weight to the wheel or get in the way during a ride. Installation is simple, and once they're attached, you can leave them on the bike without carrying extra equipment. The moving lights are especially noticeable from the side, where a standard front or rear light may not be as visible. Beyond the visual effect, the lights add another layer of visibility after dark, helping other road users notice your bike from the side. If you regularly ride at night, they're a simple way to make the wheels easier to spot while adding some color to your ride. Now, I want to hear from you. Which gadget from this list would you actually put on your bike? Drop your favorite pick in the comments.